ezyZip.
G'day, I'm ezyZip, and this is how to open RAR files in Windows 11. First, head over to the official WinRAR website, and download WinRAR. Once downloaded, open it up and install it. Now you need to find that RAR file of yours, and right-click on it. Select Open with WinRAR. Now it's time to get down to monkey business and extract this file. Click on Extract to. Then select your desired location. I'm going to select an empty folder on my desktop. Once you click OK, it will begin the extraction and all your files will be in your specified folder. Easier than peeling a banana. We also have a tutorial for extracting RAR files using the browser method. And even more methods in our article, link in the description. I hope that helps. Please click the logo and subscribe. It would mean a lot to us.
ezyZip.